going to be showing you guys how you guys can download Halifax online banking mobile app. Alright, so you can easily download it from your Play Store and App Store, and that's the process which I'm going to be showing you. First step, you want to open your Play Store or App Store. So I'm using Android, so I'm going to open Play Store. Once you open Play Store, over here on search, you want to search for Halifax. So I'm going to write Halifax. Now after you search for Halifax, it's going to show you Halifax mobile banking, and make sure it says Lloyds Banking Group PLC, because Halifax is under Lloyds Bank. Alright, if it says anything else than that, then it's going to be a third-party app, and you don't want to download a third-party app because it's related with your banking sector. So if you enter your login detail into a fake app and it steals your bank account, then your money might get lost. So you need to make sure it says Lloyds Banking Group PLC. Once you see it, you can click on install. Now once you click on install, it might take a bit of time to install, depends on the internet speed, but basically after it installs, it's going to show you open button over here, or you can also go to your dashboard on your phone and you can see it. All right, I said dashboard, but it says home screen. All right, just go to your home screen. I'm sorry, I said dashboard. So basically home screen is this. So all the apps you see over here, this is called home screen app. And once Halifax is downloaded, the app's logo should be shown over here on my screen. So I'm going to wait for some time until this logo shows up. Once this logo shows up, you can just click on the logo to open the app, alright? So it should be downloaded by now. So as you guys can see, it finished installing. So I can click on Halifax and open the app, alright? So that's how you guys can download and install Halifax on your phone.